Are we ready to proceed? Somebody tell me, because I've got to get going here.
Yes, Your Honor, you are ready to proceed and continue on Rebecca Dillon.
All right, Ms. Dillon,
Yes, Your Honor.
I will remind you that you're still under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Rivera, more or less, where were we on the plea?
Let me look real quick, Judge.
I think we had discussed the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights and court's admonitions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, you had just finished explaining the range of punishment and that you can approve or reject her deal.
And that means that if I reject your deal, or if I give you a punishment that's greater than what you agreed to, in that case, the law would allow you to start all over again. And nothing that you said or signed up till now would be used against you. Is that understood, Ms. Dillon?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's another document that is titled Court's Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. In that document, I inform you again in writing that because this is a plea bargain, you do not have a right of appeal. Did you see and understand that document?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, both those documents that I have referred to, you did review and sign with your attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In addition, what's going to be the offset of this, or the offshoot, the final deal? Is this going to be a deferred, not deferred, or what?
It is a deferred agreement, Your Honor.
It is?
Yes,
All right.
Your Honor.
All right. Now, Ms. Dillon,
Yes, Your Honor.
you signed an application for probation, specifically deferred adjudication probation. A deferred adjudication probation is very beneficial to you because your attorney has gotten the state to agree that you will submit a plea, which we'll do momentarily, and you will not be found guilty, so long as you live up to 100% of the conditions of supervision. The case will wind up being closed and you're never convicted of this charge. If you fail or refuse to sign the documents in this, to live up to the conditions of probation, of deferred adjudication, the state may ask me to give you notice, bring you in for a hearing, at which time, if I believe under the law and information submitted, I will find you guilty and you will have a final conviction that follows you the rest of your life. And you will be looking at the full range of punishment for this offense. That is a fine from $0 to $2,000, in jail from 0 days to 180 days. Is that clear?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right. Now, state, do you have any kind of motion?
No motions on this one, Judge. It's a criminal trespass
All right.
charge.
And the charge is criminal trespass, private property,
Yes, Your Honor.
Class B.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Dillon, to the charge of criminal trespass, private property, how do you plead, ma'am?
No contest.
A no contest plea in this court is considered a guilty plea, and by itself, it is sufficient for me to convict you. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, based on your plea and the evidence, I find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. But because there is an agreement for deferred adjudication, I do not find you guilty. Instead, I am granting you deferred adjudication. State, tell me the details of the agreement.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 4 months deferred adjudication, 24 hours community service, and a $50 Crime Stoppers fee.
Mr. Martinez, is this your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor. The only thing we'd like to ask is, this is a court-appointed case. Ms. Dillon is not working so much. We'd ask for the statutory minimums on the monthly probation fees, if we may.
All right, before I pronounce sentence, Ms. Dillon, tell me about how you make a living. How are you supporting yourself?
I'm on SSI disability,
Okay, how much do you get per month?
$784, I believe.
That's your sum total of income.
That's my total income.
All right. The court approves the agreement to the extent that you are granted 4 months deferred adjudication. You're assessed a $0 fine, court costs. You are to perform. Are you able-bodied basically, ma'am, where you can get around and do things?
I have pins and plates in my back, and I'm getting ready to have a complete knee replacement Tuesday.
You just had that done, or you're gonna have it done?
I'm gonna have it done Tuesday.
Okay, then I'll, for right now, I'm gonna waive the community service hours.
Thank you.
I will not order the Crime Stopper $50 fee. I will waive the supervisory fee,
Thank you, Your Honor.
this case only. Because in the interest of justice, you are, 784 is very small amount to live on, much less be paying fines, etc.
I appreciate that, Your Honor. Thank you very, very much.
Well, don't make us regret it. Don't do this
I won't.
again, okay?
I won't. Thank you.
All right. I believe that is this takes care of this. State, any questions?
No,
Defense?
No, Your Honor.
Yes. Mr.
Your
Martinez?
Honor, in speaking with Ms. Haas, the state was gonna be rejecting a case that's not been filed and there's no information on, so just want to make sure that's on the record.
What
That is
case?
correct.
I'm sorry, say again.
Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be rejecting a case that is related but unfiled at this time.
All right. Do we have any kind of numbers or identifiers for that?
Your Honor, I believe there's a JN number. Give me just a moment to look it up. Your Honor, the JN number for that case is 199-3558.
All right. The court makes a record that the state has agreed to reject case number JN 199-3558. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Martinez. Ms. Dillon, do not leave. You'll have to meet with a lady by the name of Maricela Luna. She will explain to you how this probation process is going